Listen up, because time is literally money and you're about to make a choice which may change the game for you. You have two options. Continue to slave away at your desk under those millions of tasks, or embrace AI, automate your life, and make your wallet go bigger every passing day. You've probably heard the saying that AI is going to steal our jobs.
No! God, please, no! No!
Well, that's a myth.
Okay.
In this video, I'm going to talk about 6 AI tools which you can use to save time and make a lot of money. The truth is that AI can be your strategist, your personal secretary, and your moneymaker. Hi all, I am Asen. I'm an accounting leader at a Fortune 500 tech company. In my day role, I am seeing firsthand how AI is literally transforming the business, clients, customers, and individuals. In this video, I'm going to rate each of these AI tools on a scale of 1 to 5 for their money-making and time-saving potential. Do you ever feel like you're drowning in tasks and to-do lists, like you're frantically treading water just to keep your head above the endless sea of work? Wish you had a second brain to manage all that chaos? I mean, I wish I had a second or even a third brain to keep working 24/7 whilst I travel the world, sleep well, eat well, enjoy the food and experiences I want to do. Hang on. Back to the real world. Notion AI is an AI-powered tool which integrates with your existing Notion workspace. Here's how Notion AI can be a game changer. Notion AI can generate, edit, and optimize emails, social media posts, blogs, marketing emails within seconds. This can save content creators and marketers huge amount of time. Notion AI excels at doing mundane tasks like extracting information for documents, filling out forms, and generating summaries of content, or extracting data and presenting it in a graph or an analysis. This is invaluable for researchers, data analysts, and more. Notion AI can automatically organize your chaotic notes into more structured executable steps. It can also instantly generate documents, notes, and proposals from your notes. I personally use Notion for my YouTube content calendar, making notes of my research. Whenever I find a new idea, I'll actually record it in Notion. I also write book summaries. Whenever I'm going through them, I'll put some notes in Notion AI. It has been a real game changer for me to use Notion AI because it puts everything I need in one place. Now, there are some things to be aware of. It may take a bit of a learning curve to get more used to with Notion. You can try out Notion AI for free, but more regular usage or advanced features are only available for paid users.
Hello, I like money.
But given the price, they're worth every penny. I will give it 4 out of 5 for its money-making potential. Whilst it won't put money directly in your pocket, it will give you time and insights which you can both use to focus on revenue-generating activities. When it comes to time, I will give it 4.5 out of 5. Because let's be honest, time is money and Notion AI is a time-saving powerhouse. Are you tired of spending hours on editing videos and struggling to come up with high-quality content? CapCut is the ultimate pocket-sized studio which simplifies content creation for anyone and no technical skills are required. It's the same company which was behind TikTok, so you can be confident of their ability and technical prowess in creating a tool which is effective for social media. CapCut has 4.7 out of 5 rating with 88,000 reviews on the Apple Store. The whole purpose of CapCut is to simplify video editing to the point that anyone can do it. The best thing about CapCut is that it's totally free, so you can do all that content creation without paying any extra cost for the expensive editing tools out there. CapCut offers various AI tools for video editing. One of my favorite tools is the speech-to-text feature, which allows you to create captions from your video automatically using AI. This is especially useful for creating educational or informational content. Another great feature is the ability to upscale images and videos, increasing their quality and resolution. You can generate AI portraits, improve the lighting on low light images, and stabilize shaky videos for a more professional look. However, just be aware that CapCut may struggle with very high resolution video content, which is more appropriate to be used on a desktop application like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Overall, I would give CapCut 4.5 stars for its money-making potential. That's mainly because it's totally free and it allows you to create attractive videos which are crucial to generate views and subscribers. I've given it 4 stars for its time-saving potential. That's mainly because of the various AI tools which save you tons of time and the ability to do editing on your phone or your desktop or using a website application. Are you dreaming of starting an online business but lack the coding, design skills, or the money to hire a developer? Look no further than 10web's revolutionary AI platform. 10web empowers you to bring your vision to life effortlessly and quickly. You simply pick a template and provide your business details and let 10web's advanced AI generate rest of the design and pages for you. You really don't need any coding or design experience. There is a large variety of templates to choose for your website design, and I'm sure you'll find one of them. Key benefits of 10web include mobile-friendly responsive sites, an AI-based SEO optimization tool, e-commerce integration to sell products and services, detailed analytics to track your website performance, and 24/7 customer support. Of course, nothing is perfect. 10web has less customization options than hiring an actual developer to build the website for you. It may require extra apps or plugins for advanced features, and heavy traffic sites may need other solutions. However, for startups, small businesses, and bloggers, 10web is a great way to launch your online website. I have given 10web a 4 out of 5 score for money-making potential. With AI SEO optimization, marketing tools, e-commerce, and a plethora of other functions, it's a great tool to start making money. However, it is also important that what product and service you're offering to your customer and if there is a real need for it in the market. Creating short form content from long form videos is a tedious and time-taking process, which requires a lot of effort and video editing skills. You have to manually cut, trim, resize, add subtitles, use appropriate effects and captions to make your audience fit for different platforms and audiences. This can be quite frustrating and overwhelming if you have a lot of content to repurpose with limited time and budget. You might end up spending hours or even days editing your videos, or end up spending a lot of money to hire freelancers or agencies to do it for you. Either way, you're losing precious time and money, which you could use for other purposeful things. Video.ai is a AI-based content repurposing platform which allows you to generate short-form content from your long-form videos within minutes. It uses advanced algorithms to identify the best moments from your videos to create short-form clips, automatically edits them, and adds subtitles. You can customize that output with different templates, aspect ratios, and other effects. You can try video.ai with 75 minutes of free uploads each month, which I believe is enough to get you started on your content journey. For money-making potential, I would give it 4 stars. This is because it can help you create content for different audiences and platforms, which can increase your engagement, exposure, and revenue. However, the money-making potential will depend on the quality of your content and how much of a value it provides to your audience. For time-saving potential, I would give it 5 out of 5 stars. With all that free time, you can focus on creating valuable content rather than worrying about the technical aspects of editing short-form videos. Creating stunning presentations from scratch takes an eternity. You spent ages working on a slide, only to end up with a Frankenstein of mismatched colors, font, and style. Creating good designs can be time-consuming and both expensive, and you end up frustrated because the end outcome does not look as good as you'd hoped. That's where Beautiful.ai comes in. Beautiful.ai takes the hassle out of design, allowing you to focus on what really matters, your content and your audience. Simply add your content and select from one of the thousands of templates, and Beautiful.ai's algorithms will tailor the slides based on your input. Impress your clients, colleagues, and investors with stunning presentations, or use the AI to create slides for marketing, education, or entertainment purposes. You can share your creations on platforms like SlideShare and YouTube when you create your own content. Beautiful.ai isn't perfect, and the AI doesn't always get the layout right, so you will have to spend some time tweaking the output to get the desired results. Lean on the smart templates to save time. Take advantage of AI's design suggestions. Use collaboration features to get rapid feedback. And customize your slides on the go with drag and drop flexibility. I will give Beautiful.ai 3 out of 5 for its money-making potential. Creating stunning slides is just a part of the overall process of generating income. So whilst Beautiful.ai can take over the slides part for you, you will still need to create engaging content and make sure it's tailored to your audience and fit for purpose. When it comes to saving time, I'll give it 4 out of 5 because it eliminates the need to spend hours on creating your slides and instead allowing you to focus on your content. Creating engaging lessons and content for students is a constant struggle for most educators. Fetchy is an AI tool which helps streamline the content creation, lessons planning, and various other aspects of a teacher's role, freeing you up to focus on what matters the most, your students and your audience. With Fetchy, you can create engaging content-driven and structured lesson plans with clear goals and end results or desired outcomes. Discover effective strategies for handling challenging students. Easily create stories, newsletters, and blog posts for your students. Design hands-on and unique experiments which bring the theories and hypotheses to life. Now the benefits don't stop here. You can use the content you create using Fetchy and share and even monetize it on other platforms like YouTube, Udemy, Skillshare, and so on. This allows you to share your expertise, knowledge, and skill with your unique perspective to students across the world while making extra income. I would give Fetchy 4 out of 5 for its money-making potential. This is because it not only improves the quality of your content and saves you time, you can use that same content and share and monetize it on other platforms. For time saving, I will give it a solid 4.5. Automating repetitive tasks frees you up to focus on more personal pursuits and meaningful work. We've just covered a lot of ground. Your time is valuable and I respect that. That's why I've done the research to find the most valuable tools which will give you the maximum value for your time and money. I personally use many of these tools in my personal day-to-day life and they've made a huge difference in my productivity and potential. And I want the same for you. The clock is ticking and every second you don't use these tools, you are losing both time and money. So don't wait. Take action now and use the tools which will enhance the quality of your life and your potential. I appreciate you, not just for watching the video, but for giving me an opportunity to add value to your life. Now watch this video if you want to find out the 7 money habits keeping you poor.